Today we'll show you how to remove programs from startup from my PC. When I open my PC, I don't want this application to start up. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your settings and go to now here and go to this is applications. Okay, don't forget this is application here. Okay, and go now to this is it's like start up with English. If you have like a French language in your Windows, it's like its name Demarage. If you have Arabic, it's like tahmil or something like that. Okay, if you have any language, just follow this is the image, or this is a small icon from here, and click in your application. Okay, just click to Demarage or start up. Okay, and now I want to close from Google Chrome or close any program I want. Okay, I now choose now to close like WhatsApp here. I want to close WhatsApp when I open my PC. Okay, when I open my PC, it's never WhatsApp opening if I don't want to open it. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.